My name is Juliet Jones. I'm the head teacher at Excalibur Primary School. We're based in Alsager. The purpose of the building is as a classroom for our Year 1 and our Year 2 children. The high quality environment with its bright windows and air conditioning maximises the learning for our children. Wernicks have provided excellent communication especially with our site manager, and that has meant that we have been able to keep our parents advised on the development of the mobile.
My name is Dave Pickin. I'm the site manager here at Excalibur School. The building is a replacement for 2 classes. And as a school we pride ourselves on developing and maintaining standards. The new building certainly does that. It's with the latest technologies that's inside. It's a much more comfortable place for learning and for the pupils. I think from start to finish Wernicks did a good job. I mean, in the planning stage they were very helpful. And when the build actually started, the communication between the project manager and the site foreman in particular was excellent. The building had its problems, as with any project, but we sought to overcome all of those. I think the secret was good communication. The whole process isn't without its issues, but adapt, improvise and overcome, and that's certainly the motto that Wernicks and ourselves implemented. So yeah, I would definitely recommend them.